Hello everyone, I am Anastasia and in today's video I will show you this Dolce & Gabbana inspired style design. We will need a chameleon cat eye magnet gel polish and rounded magnet which should be pretty strong so we can play around with the lines. So we need a black gel polish base which I already created and cured it, and now I will apply one layer of this color. So it's like mix of green and pink color. It shifts depends on the angle, and I did not cure yet. Then I will take the magnet and carefully start playing with the lines, and now all the magic happens. So you can also use two magnets from different sides and it will really create a beautiful patterns. So just play as long as you like it, and once you like how it looks, then you will need to cure and seal it with the top coat. This was designed for Pinky. For other nails, we will need rhinestone. So I have these two sizes of Swarovski rhinestone with chameleon color and silver caviar bead. For another hand, we decided to use bronze and pink. So we will need a white background here. I'm using White Dense Legend #1 gel polish. It's pretty bright, but even the brightest whites usually they still require two coats to apply. So I recommend to apply first coat and fully cure it. For my gel polish, it's 1 minute in LED, and then apply the second layer and fully cure it as well, 1 minute. Then we need to seal it with the top coat. I'm using No Cleanse wipe-free top coat, cure it again, and then to secure rhinestones, I'm using base coat. Yes, base coat for gel polishes. So I'm applying a small drop, and it's kind of hard to see it because it's clear on white, but it is there right here, this pretty large drop. And to secure caviar beads, I will do the following. I will take a drop of a thick consistency base coat for the gel polishes. Then I will take silver caviar beads on the brush and mix them really well. Let me show you closer. So I have this drop and I'm mixing them really well. Make sure they're all covered in this base coat, and once you do that, trust me, they will be secured there forever. First, I will apply a rhinestone. This is #7 with a crystal katana pickup tool. And then we need to apply caviar beads. So do not forget to fully shower them in the top coat. And then one by one, I start to apply them two on the top of the rhinestone and two to the bottom. As they're all covered with the top coat, it's pretty easy to move them around. So do not worry if you place them in the wrong position. So then I decided to add one on the top and another one at the bottom. So our goal here is to create some kind of small stars. So to do that, I will need 3, 2, and 1 caviar beads on the top as well as on the bottom. So we are creating like some kind of a small pyramid, and this will give them the look like this is the shining star. And you can fix them, you can move them around as long as you want. And then I will add some on the right side as well as on the left side. And do not cure this time. I recommend to do them all so you can move them around and fully cure after that. So I will do 3 on the sides and 5 on the top and the bottom, but it's really up to you, it's optional. And I recommend to do all the stars in a different way. So use different sizes of the rhinestones, different number of the caviar beads, so they will look differently in all of the places. Now we place another drop of the base coat and continue doing the same. When you're done with the application, you can fix them again, fully cure. And after curing, we need to take a tap-free top coat, and with a small brush, I'm using number 0, outline each star. And if you will do that, trust me, they will last there forever. We did like 6 weeks and they all stayed there, and this is the final result. So I used the color shift violet and green on one hand and the same color for rhinestones for the left hand, and we decided to do another color on another hand. So we used bronze and pink, and also we used a different cat eye color magnet gel polish on the pinky. Let me know which color do you like the best out of these two, and try this simple design. It's really easy and fast. If you are not subscribed to my channel, I recommend to do it now, because I post nail art tutorials, tips and tricks every week. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Goodbye!